Hello and welcome to Virtual Learning with I'm Mr. Standing, and then I have a co-teacher, Mr. Cottrell. And I'm just going to do a quick introduction to myself just to kind of give you an idea of who I am. And if you haven't met me before, give you kind of an impression of what type of teacher I am. So let's go ahead and start off. This is my family right here. This is my wife, Megan. We met about 10 years ago. We've been married for about 6 years now. This is my son, Jaden. And this is my daughter, Juliana. They both go to Cobb County schools. This is a new dog that we got over the summer. Her name is Sandy. She's kind of a pandemic puppy. And so we got her back in March, and we've been really enjoying just watching her grow up. I was born in Michigan. If anybody's from Michigan, shout out to them. And then I moved to California, lived there for 2 years. I really grew up in Arizona, though. This is a picture of Arizona. I was a Boy Scout, so I spent a lot of time out hiking, camping, doing different things like that. And then I've been in Georgia now for the past 20 years, so I went through middle, high school here, and also college. All right, my family likes to go down to the beach to Destin every summer. Unfortunately, this summer, because of COVID, we were unable to go, so that's kind of why we got the dog and named it Sandy. We brought the sand to us. This is my daughter. We're at Red Top Mountain, and we like to do some hikes, get out in nature just to kind of get out of the house and do something different. This is her swinging from a vine on Red Top Mountain hike, and you see the bear back there. There's a lot of scary wildlife, so you got to be careful because the bear's going to get you. Also cool wildlife. I found this neon worm out when I was walking, which was pretty interesting. And the schooling that I have, graduated from Brookwood High School in 2003, all the way back then. That was in Gwinnett County. I graduated from Kennesaw State University. I'm sure you've heard of that university. It's right around the corner. In 2009, graduated with a master's degree in 2013, and then graduated with a specialist degree, which is kind of the in-between between the master's and the doctorate degree. I might go back for a doctorate eventually. We'll see. So I started teaching at South Cobb High School. I was there from 2011 and 2013, and then I've been at McEachin for the last 7 years, and I love the school, love the staff, love everything about the school in general. Some of my interests, I'll talk a lot about working out. I see a lot of benefits to getting daily exercise, at least 30 minutes a day. I read all the time. I'm always reading a book. I always have a huge book list that I want to read. So I'll be talking about different books, and then I love to eat healthy too. So you'll hear me talking a lot about healthy food, healthy eating, healthy living. The last thing that I love is coffee. And so usually when I'm in class, you'll see me drinking a lot of coffee. I'm going to be in virtual world teaching you. So it's not going to be too much of me drinking coffee on the screen, obviously. But just so you know, I've probably had a coffee right before, or if right after, I'm going to be drinking coffee. I am going to be switching back and forth between the classroom and at home. So some videos that you see, some sessions that we have, you'll see me in my own home like I am right now. And then other sessions, you'll actually see me in the classroom where we would have been if we were face-to-face, which we might eventually go to. Who knows what's going to happen? This is just a short introduction to introduce myself to you. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.